Hello guys. So if you're facing some problem with connecting your eSIM to the internet, so if that's the case, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. There are two solutions that you can try. In the first solution, just simply go to your phone settings, then go to your mobile data. Now click on your eSIM plan that you currently have active. Now over there, you will find the option for data roaming. Just simply enable that option and see whether it is fixed or not. Now, if it's still not fixed, go to your Airalo application, go to your eSIM, then over there, just simply check whether you have completed your APN settings or not. In order to do that, go to your install eSIM, scroll down and check whether your APN settings are available or not. So if it is available, it will look something like this. There might be a code over here. So what you have to do is copy the code, write it down or just simply take a screenshot because we will be needing this afterwards. What you have to do is just simply go to your phone settings again, go to your mobile data, go to your eSIM, go to your eSIM plan. Now over there, just simply click on mobile data networks. Now over in the APN section under mobile data, enter that exact code that you just copied or just simply write it down over here and do the exact thing in the MMS section down below as well. Just simply copy the code over here as well. After that, you should restart your device once. So if you're still facing the issue after that, just simply try to contact the support team of Airalo. So that's it. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.